Expand this expression here, y times y cubed plus 6. So to expand a bracket we draw two lines, don't we? One for the first and one for the second. So here the answer is y times y cubed is y to the 4. And then it's y times 6, which is 6 lots of y. Here, solve x over 3 is equal to plus 54 equals 63. Move the 54 over to be with the 63 that's already there. When we move it across, it's minus 54. So that tells us then that x over 3 is equal to 63 minus 54 is 9. And so move the 3 now up from divide to times. 3 times 9 is 27, so x is 27. Part C. Solve this then. So we've got 36 minus x over 4 equals 10. Move the 4 up to be with the 10. So let's do that. Leave the 36 minus x as is, equals, and when we move the 4 up from divide to times, 4 tens are 40. Okay, so that tells us then, I'm going to move this x over the other side, leave the 36 as is and the 40 as is, and move the x over here. So I've got it as a plus now. Move the 40 over to be with the 36, so 36 minus 40 now is equal to x, and then we can read it from right to left now. X is equal to, and 36 minus 40 is minus 4. So that's part C. And now we need to factorize this thing here. There's a 2 common, isn't there? And there's an x common. So the answer then, there's a 2 common and an x common. What you put inside? Well, we'll need an x to get 2x squared, and we'll need a minus 2, won't we, to get the minus 4 lots of x in the second term. Okay, write down the nth term of this sequence. So the first one is 3. The second one, you're adding 4, aren't we? We're adding 4, so this would be 3 plus 4. 11 would be 3 plus an 8, or 2 4s, because you've added up another. And this is 3 plus another 4 is 12. And this would be 3 plus, add a 4 to that is 16. Okay, there's the sequence then. So the first term is 3 plus no 4s, then is 3 plus 2 4s. So we could write that as 3 plus 1 4 rather. I'll get it right in a minute. That's 1 4s, isn't it? And this was 3 plus no 4s in a sense, wasn't it? And then this one is 3 plus 2 4s. So I'm just seeing the pattern here. And this is 3 plus 3 4s. And this is 3 plus 4 4s. So if it carries on like that, we can see that the nth term will be, well, the second term was here. This was the third term, and this is the fourth term. This is the fifth, and this is the first. This was a 0. So 3 plus so many 4s, isn't it? If it was the second term, it would be 1. Third term, it would be 2. The fourth term, it would be 3, lots of 4. And the fifth term, it would be 4. So it's 1 less. Every time it's 1 less. So answer then, if it's the nth term, it'd be 1 less. So it's 3 plus 1 less than n, lots of 4. So we can expand this. It's 3 plus, expand the bracket, 4n. And then we get a minus 4. So that equals 4n then. And 3 take 4 is minus 1. 4n minus 1.